What's going on here? Mom, are you with him on this? What is this?
Mom, what is going on in the house?
Beauty. Finding you is just like finding everything and more than I ever wanted in a woman. So, I'm going to be asking you right before your parents to please be my wife. You're the one that I want and I would want to spend the rest of my life with.
You must be raving mad. So you went to get this cheap ring from one of these hawkers on the street to engage me. Are you okay? You have completely lost it.
Oh, young man, who are you?
Honey, he's the young man I told you has been pleading with your daughter to accept him to no avail. Believe me when I tell you that this young man has gone through a lot just to be with your daughter.
This is the Kajetan?
Yes, Father, Kajetan.
Sir, please. I love your daughter Beauty so much, and I will end at nothing but to make sure that I always put smiles on her pretty face. Please.
Sergeant! Musa!
Sir, please don't throw me out. I actually mean well.
Sir, don't bring this demented fool out of this house. Now! Yes, sir. Musa!
Leave my
Oh yeah,
hand.
you go out.
Beauty, please.
Musa, take me now!
Go out, go.
Beauty!
So you arranged all this, right?
How far this boy has gone. He's a nice guy.
Officer, stop now. I'm only in love. I didn't kill anybody. It's love.
Only in love. Now if you are forced to love person no love you. Person say he no want you. Now by force. Why you go love who no love you? Don't be saying an ordinary person carry eye put for general pikin.
Hey!
Come down your head.
Idiots! Take your stupid beauty! Nonsense. Get out!
Oh yeah, they move. You move. You move fine. Come out your teeth now.
What madness is this? Ordering an officer to pick up your chica who just simply proposed to you? Is that not preposterous?
Listen, there is no way I am offering this beautiful body to that trash. It's not happening.
Can you just come down from cloud 9? What is wrong with you, Beauty? Did you see the ring at all, girl?
What do I need to say it for?
Well, you should have just taken a look. Because the ring is a pure 24-karat diamond gold ring.
I beg you. Who dash monkey banana? Where on earth will you see that kind of money to buy such a ring? Somebody that cannot change his boxers.
There you go again. I've told you to always talk to guys nicely. You should treat them with respect. Be kind. It won't cost you anything. Come on, every man deserves to be respected. It doesn't matter whatever you think.
Look, I hate repeating myself. When I tell these guys that I don't want to have anything to do with them, they should just let me be. They are broke. They cannot afford me. From my skin routine to my hair, my soap, my cream, to everything I use, they cannot afford me. They are broke. I'm expensive, too expensive for them.
Beauty, you have to retrace your steps before it's too late.
Abigail, take a good look at me. I'm beautiful and sassy. Don't you think I deserve better?
Well, it's up to you. Your life, your rules.
My Melvin is 1,000,000 times better than these classless fools. Our wedding will shake the internet. Don't worry.
Don't touch touch it now.
Have you seen what you've brought upon yourself? What show of nonsense and pure madness is this? Have you seen what you've caused yourself? Eh? Have you lost it or you are losing it? How can you bring yourself down so low to allow these people shred you into pieces like a meat?
Greg, you don't understand. You will not.
I will not understand. I know I will not understand because I don't know where all this is headed. Have you lost it? Wait, this is actually not making sense. How can my good-looking friend be enduring all this pain and suffering because of a male girl? Wait, let me ask you this question again. What have you actually seen in this girl that is worth dying for?
She's extremely beautiful, and I love her so much. Isn't that enough?
Excuse you, can you hear yourself at all? When you talk, do you hear yourself? She's extremely beautiful. Need I remind you that the most beautiful thing about a woman is not her physical appearance, not her shape, not her uku. You understand? But the innate character. It stands above all when you talk about a woman you want to spend the rest of your life with.
Okay.
Now, wait. Don't okay yet. Now, don't you see her friend? She seemed to be well-mannered. Not that spoiled girl.
I don't know what you're getting at, but if I'm to get you clearly, you're trying to... In fact, why are you even talking about Abigail here? Huh? Why are you talking about her? What has this discussion had to do with Abigail? Let me guess. You're trying to now push me to Beauty's friend. Is that your plan?
Is this really you? The way you think has even changed. You are not thinking like a woman, insinuating things. How? From where? Liz, can we just have a normal conversation like man to man? Abigail is well-mannered, very cultured. You see, she has a good upbringing. And if you talk about beauty to some extent, she's even prettier than your so-called beauty. Let me remind you, you really have to get married before you leave this country.
And so because I need to get married before I leave this country, I should get married to anybody? Just anyone? Hell no.
Okay now. Then go and die. Go and submit yourself to them. Let them kill you. Let them slaughter you. Go. Just go back there. Let them kill you.
Is Beauty or no one else?
Go and meet them. Let them kill. What's that?
Me stretching it.
Where?
I guess. Beg. See, you need to stop coming to my parents' town. Please, I don't want problem.
Why are you trying to pursue me? What did I do wrong?
Hey, what did you not do wrong? Huh? You've done everything wrong now. Huh? If you know what has gone wrong before now, you will not be here telling me this thing.
Did anything happen?
A lot has gone wrong. That army man that you go about chasing his daughter sent his foot soldiers to come here, picked me up, put me in the trunk of a car, and took me to his house. Why you needed to see the beating? They almost stripped me naked. If not for the timely intervention of that stupid girl. What was that nonsense name, self?
Are you talking about Beauty?
Beauty. Beauty. If not that she came on time and rescued the situation, my thing would have been dangling around.
Hey.
Would have been stripped naked, and they flogged the hell out of me. Hey. All because of you.
I'm sorry, my guy. I don't know why the rich cannot let the poor rest in this country. They're always intimidating us.
What are we saying now? Who is us? The rich are resting. You are the one that is looking for trouble. And I warned you now.
Sorry,
leave these people alone now.
I'm sorry. sorry. I'm sorry. Please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mother, you said you wanted to discuss something with me.
Sure. It's about Kajetan.
Mother, please don't spoil my mood.
Beauty, as your mother, I mean well for you.
Mother, you don't mean well for me. Because if you do, you will not be talking about that peasant. Everything about him irritates me. I despise him.
Have you taken your time to look critically at that young man?
Oh, God. Mother, for the uptenth time, Kajetan is not my spec and can never be.
Kajetan has prospects. He might not be what you want at the moment, but give him time. Things will definitely turn out positive.
But I don't have that time to spare. Alright? I should be associating myself with big dudes. Handsome dudes with plenty of money. Men that belong to the upper class. And not one local champion.
Beauty. I believe you know what you're doing.
Mother, you're stressing yourself too much. Relax. Very soon, I will bring you a man that you'll be proud of. A man that will wow you. Don't worry. I know what I'm doing, okay?
I am classic. I will never anyone to fool around. Whoa. I will not settle for less. If you can't pay my bills, what are you saying? I cannot see you. I know I'm beautiful. I only listen when the money is talking. When the money is talking.
Kajetan.
You. I know you.
Well, Abigail, Beauty's best friend.
Yeah, I remember.
Anyway, I'm sorry for what my friend put you through.
Oh, why?
You already know why.
Because she thinks that I'm poor, I'm a low life and can't afford to give her anything. You see this money, I must make it.
The way you're sounding, don't go and do something that will put you into trouble, all because of Beauty. It's not worth it.
I've been belittled, reduced to nothing, all for love.
Well, I understand how it feels to love someone who doesn't reciprocate your love.
Beauty is my word. I truly do love her.
Well, I'm sorry to break it to you. She doesn't feel the same about you.
Why can't I have someone that I truly do love?
Well, I want you to understand something. Beauty will never love you. Not now, not ever. Anyway, tell me more about you.
Abigail, please, I would like you to please talk to your friend on my behalf. Tell her that I truly do love her so much and I would want her to be the mother of my kids.
Haven't you been listening to me? Didn't you just hear me when I told you that Beauty will never have anything to do with you? Not now or ever. Come on, find someone else, okay? And move on with your life. Make something out of yourself, okay? You know what? Just give me your number.
I just lost the little ITEL phone that I use. I got no phone with me.
Oh. Kajetan, can you let it slide?
Letting go of Beauty is just like disconnecting from that gives me life. Beauty is my life. There's no future me without her.
Okay. I have an offer to make you. Kajetan. Kajetan,
Yes.
what do you have running through your mind?
Nothing.
Anyway, as I was saying, I have a premium offer for you. Man, since you have an eye for beautiful girls and beautiful ladies, I'd like to introduce you to a friend of mine. She's really beautiful. I mean, she's indeed what you would call beautiful inside beauty. Like she's beautiful inside and out.
Abigail, you think I don't see beautiful women? Beauty is my choice. She's the one that I want.
Trust me, you haven't seen Sarah. If you have seen her, then you won't say this. But anyway, let me not push it. Before that, let me just do this. Okay, here. Yeah, have it. I'm trying to go a long way for you. Come on.
You're giving me money. Oh, thank you so much for the money. I sincerely do appreciate.
And else, I think I insist that I'm going to invite you over to my house so you can meet Sarah, my friend. Trust me, you definitely like her. It's okay.
I'll be on my way.
It's alright, bye.
Thank you.
Sure.
I've been searching for a long time for you. When you drove by, I knew that you were the one. Yeah, I've tried to get you off my mind, but I failed. Oh, baby, give me a chance to love you. Oh, baby, she's the one I love. Oh, yeah, she's the one I need.
Man, I'm just a good fired bachelor trying to end this bachelorhood. But it hasn't been easy for me. I've tried my best to make Beauty see how much I truly do feel for her. I really want to keep her. In fact, I want to marry her. But she's not seeing it from that direction. Instead, she wants me to. I don't know if she wants me to give her my kidney for her to know how I feel about her. She have insulted me, slapped me, humiliated me. But I still keep pushing, hoping that she will change her mind. Look at Abigail, her friend. She even offered to hook me up with another of her friends. The other time she gave me 10,000 naira for transportation. What a friend. And all this while she's trying to talk to me, I've been pushing her away, thinking that she wants to talk for herself. God help me.
She's the one I need. She's the one. She's the one I want. She's the one. 'Cause no one can take your place.
Hello, Dad. Good morning from here. I'm good, Dad. Apparently not. Dad, please, can you permit me to decline? Allow me to find a wife here in Nigeria. Dad, see, if I put my mind towards the reason why I returned to this country, it's achievable. Besides, I do not want to marry any Kenyan girl. I want to marry from my country, Nigeria. I like our girls. Thank you, Father. I promise. Bye.
Babe, did someone call you yesterday?
That fool. You gave him my number. I've told you to stop.
Really, beauty? Must you always insult and scare every guy that talks to you? Come on, are you going to marry yourself?
Here you go again. Abigail, you're beginning to sound like my mother and I hate it.
Anyway, did I tell you I got a job?
Good for you. What does a daddy girl like me need a job for? My father is Major General Johnson. He's more than capable. I don't need to worry my head over anything.
Well, the firm I got the job with is a big conglomerate in Abuja. I can't wait to resume.
Abuja. You leaving me soon?
Yes. Fred, my cousin, got the job for me, and I'm just going over to stay at his house with him and his new wife in their duplex in Maitama. Oh my God, I can't wait.
Who owns the duplex?
Fred, of course, my cousin.
Wait, I don't understand. How? Hold on. That broke guy owns a duplex already?
Broke guy? I don't get. I told you Fred, my cousin's an Abuja big boy who owns a water factory. I mean, Fredo Table Water.
Fredo Table Water. Abigail, you didn't tell me.
Oh, that's because you were interested in seeing his luxurious car first. Wait a minute, beauty. Do you know how many cars and trucks that guy owns?
Oh my God. You should have told me now. You should have explained in details. You didn't tell me. Hi.
Anyway, that one is gone. Just like that. Oh, Kajetan. Yes, that's another one. I think since you don't want him, I should just make him with Sarah. Yes, perfect match, Sarah.
You want matchmaking at 5 and 6. What about you? You not go marry? Eh? You want to matchmake Sarah? Anyways, I trust Sarah. She will definitely spit on his face.
Don't be too sure about that. Trust my matchmaking skills. Trust me. Okay, another love story to tell.
Fred owns a duplex.
Stay away if you don't get the money. I'm a queen, I deserve the best. Run away if you don't get the money. No time for love.
Oh, come in, the door is open.
I only want the good vibes.
Hi. Oh, hey, good day, my darling.
I came as soon as I got your call.
You're welcome. Thank you for ordering my invitation. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable. In a jiffy, I'll be back.
No, please. Come on. You don't have to. It's not necessary.
If you say so.
Yes, I say so.
You mean you don't want anything?
I'm practically family.
All right. See, my daughter. The reason I invited you over is because of my daughter, Beauty. Abigail, I think she's losing it. Her refusal to get married to Kajetan is giving me cause for concern. That's because there's something about that guy Kajetan. But I really can't place my fingers on it. But there's something about it.
Well, the truth is, I've tried severally, to introduce her to some really good guys who want her for keeps. But all she does is just spit on their faces. I really don't know.
Why don't does she treat me like that? Why?
Well, for one, she feels she's the daughter of an army major general. You know, she wants the best of guys. She doesn't want a peasant.
I think she needs to refrain from harsh actions towards me. And she needs to avoid extremes. Can you help me achieve that, please?
Speaking about extremes, what she did to my cousin, you know, calling him all sorts of names, going to the extent of even slapping him, that was the height of it. But yes, I forgave her. I did. But that was really extreme.
What? She slapped your cousin? This is preposterous.
Baby, my parents are asking after you.
How? Do they know me?
They know I'm seeing a man. They want me to bring the man over to the house. They want to meet you.
Babe, don't you think you're pushing this for crying out loud? Don't you think you're desperate? For crying out loud, allow me to be the man in this relationship.
Why are you unreasonable? We've been dating for 3 months now, and you think 3 months is not enough to come and meet my parents?
Babe, why are you acting up for crying out loud?
Because I have been rejecting suitors because of you. I'm a pretty girl.
Okay.
Men cluster around me just like bees to honey, yet I chose you. Baby, I want you. Don't you get it? Please come and see my parents. Please.
Okay, fine. I'll do that at my own time. Just relax and give me time. I just want to get to know you better.
Listen. You're old enough to be married and have kids.
Honestly, marriage is the last thing on my list now.
Yeah. Do you know that my cousin Fred, whom she called broke, simply because he wasn't with his car that they met, actually has a water factory and other businesses in the Federal Capital Territory?
Are you kidding me right now?
That's the major reason I'm saying Beauty should look into Kajetan. He might just be one big catch, and she mustn't lose him due to her insensitivity.
What is wrong with my daughter, Beauty? What is wrong with her?
Well, I think she's in love with Melvin. They met about 3 months ago. You know.
Who is Melvin? Because she's yet introduced anyone to us.
Well, Melvin is a spec. He possesses all the qualities she wants in a man. Melvin is the one Beauty wants to say I do to.
Then she should introduce Melvin to the family. What is this? That's the right thing to do.
Well, he's yet to propose.
Exactly my point. Beauty is being unnecessarily insensitive. Huh? Marriage doesn't give anyone everything you need. It doesn't. Listen, if a suitor told me that I would end up getting married to a major general in the army, I wouldn't have believed it. But here we are. I fell in love with my husband even when he was not a major general. I met him in one barrack in Benue State where I was posted for my youth service. And one thing led to the other and we got married. Marriage is not a give and take thing. So I don't know what is wrong with my daughter.
Well, your love story is quite pleasing to the ears.
When are you bringing him home?
Oh?
Melvin, of course.
Soon.
How soon?
Mother, please. I'm not in the mood for all this. I'm exhausted. I want to go upstairs, freshen up, and relax. Excuse me if you don't mind.
Young lady, any man that wants you will not wait for like forever to make his intentions towards you known. Listen, if Melvin loves you like you claim, he will not hesitate to tell you what he feels for you. Neither will he hesitate to officially introduce himself to the parents that gave birth to themselves. Beauty, do not throw away treasure in search of treasure. I'll advise you use your head instead of your butt.
Wait, if I can actually hear you correctly, are you saying that Beauty's friend is trying to hook you up with another of their friend?
Oh, now you get the point. Exactly.
But isn't this funny? This is funny though.
Oh, well, as funny it may sound, it's the truth. The girl that even trying to matchmake me with another babe is not even married. As a matter of fact, she is single and not into any relationship at all.
Talking about her, I have said it before and I will say it again. And even if you ask me tomorrow, my words will not change. I prefer her a million times over Beauty. She seems to be nicer, more coordinated, more like a woman. I think she has a good heart, and this is the kind of quality you should be looking for in a woman who you want to make your wife.
Yeah. Can you believe that? The other day, she dashed me a whooping 10,000 naira for a tea fare.
For transport?
I swear to God.
Wow. Wow, man. This called for a chest, man. This is wow. I am telling you, man.
You're a funny guy.
I'm telling you. Then what else are you looking for? What else? The sign is there. The handwriting is on the wall.
Well, the girl you're talking about just got a job in Abuja and she'll be relocating soon.
Mm-hmm. Is that all? Bro, do not let this girl slip off your fingers. Because if you do, I am 100% sure that you are going to regret it.
Greg, if I can understand where you're heading to, you're trying to tell me to abandon whatever feelings or whatever thing that I have in mind with Beauty. I mean, with that sophisticated, gorgeous queen. I should throw it away, I should forget about it and go for this girl's friend. Is that what you're trying to say? Hey, no.
I already told my friend Sarah about you, and she's ready to meet you.
So, when are you leaving to Abuja?
Next month. That's why I'm doing everything possible so you can mingle with Sarah. Trust me, she's your kind of woman though. See, I like seeing people happy, okay? And right now, your happiness is my utmost priority. With this look on your face, it tells me you're not even interested in meeting her. Come on, Kajetan.
But why can't I have her?
Because she doesn't want you. Listen, I don't want you to go and do something rash because of Beauty. That's why I'm doing all of this. Okay?
Well, I feel like the basis of love shouldn't be money.
Well, I have spoken with her. I've tried to make her see reasons. But she wouldn't budge. Even her mother, who just suddenly started to have a soft spot for you, has also tried talking to her. All to no avail.
Listen, babe. I need you to spell out this whole thing for me. I need you to define this relationship for me. I want to know what I'm doing.
You're my baby.
Just your baby. When are you coming to see my parents?
Babe, I've told you this, and I'll tell you again. I'm working on something. Okay, let me finish the things I have at hand. I can come see your parents. Just relax your nerves.
I have heard this from you a million times. Melvin, if you love me as much as I love you, nothing will stop you from coming to see my parents.
Babe, relax. Okay, fine. I want to get to know you more. I want to get to know you very well before coming to see your parents. That's all.
And 3 months is not enough? What do you want to know about me that you don't know already? I told you I schooled in the UK. I told you about my age and year. I told you about my parents. I told you I'm a Pisces. Everything I told you, I did without you asking. But you, I don't know anything about you. Listen, if you don't want me, if you don't love me, look in my face and tell me.
You want me to look you in the face and tell you so you can dump me and go and marry one of your suitors, right?
You're not showing any sign of seriousness.
How? How?
Ever since we started dating, you have not asked about my parents. You don't know anything about me, my likes, my dislikes, and all of that.
Baby, I know about your parents. Fine, I know who your father is. Your father is a major general in the army. You keep saying that into my ear, so I know who he is.
Baby, listen. My heart yearns for you. I don't think there is anything stopping us from getting married.
Marriage? I want to ask you this and I need an answer. How old are you that you're this desperate for marriage? I mean, why can't you just go out there and look for something meaningful to do with yourself? Like, do something and stop talking about marriage. For crying out loud, that makes you look so desperate for marriage and it's not working.
Kajetan, there's no easy way to say this, but I'm just going to hit you with the truth. Beauty is in love with someone else.
She has a boyfriend.
Yes. The more reason I want you to move on and mingle with Sarah.
Abigail, can you please come to my place before you leave to Abuja? There's something that we have to show you.
Okay, that's fine. We're friends now. You know what? Let me have your address. Okay. Put in the notes. Okay. I will be visiting. And what are you going to keep for your friend when she comes?
Well, anything you want, I'll give you.
Oh, lest I forget. My dad. Yes, I told him about you and he wants you to come to his office with your curriculum vitae.
Why don't you visit me first so we can talk about it? I mean, we'll have the whole time to do to discuss about it.
Okay. Meanwhile, give me your account number. I have a little token for you because I want you to appear really cute and handsome in my dad's office. Come on.
I'm sorry, but I won't be accepting that. I mean, thanks for your kind gesture. I'm sorry if that really hurt you, but you don't have to give me money.
Okay. Let me drop you off at your... Where are you going to, by the way? Is that your house or...?
I will just walk down to the POS stand. That's where I'm heading to.
Oh, okay then. That's okay.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
I've been searching for a long time for you. When you drove by, I knew that you were the one. Yeah, I've tried to get you off my mind, but I failed. Oh, baby, give me a chance to love you. Oh, baby, she's the one I love. Oh, yeah, she's the one I need, baby. She's the one I want. 'Cause I cannot get you off my mind. Can you give me a chance? I'll never break your heart. I'll never break your heart. I don't know your past, but I can make this future beautiful. Please take my hand. Let me lead the way. You will never ever regret.
Good afternoon.
Who is that?
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Good afternoon.
I'm sorry, sir. It was a mistake, sir. Sorry,
No, don't worry. Come inside. Don't worry.
No.
Come inside. Don't worry. Come inside. Don't worry. Come inside. Don't worry. Come inside.
You mean you should lock the door?
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Come inside. Come inside. So who are you looking for?
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know that this place belongs to a military person. I did not mean to intrude. I'll just drive back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The thing is, I got the address mixed up. I'm sorry.
So who are you looking for?
You will not know the person. He has a POS spot, and he gave me that. I'm sure I got it mixed up. I left my phone in the car. I'll just go check the address again. I got it mixed up. His name is Kajetan. This is not a ruse. His name is Kajetan. He's tall. He's dark. Broad-chested. I didn't mean to come here. I'll just go and check and I'll leave. I'm sorry.
My boss is Kajeta. He's the owner of this house. And he's not a POS guy.
Oh, what a coincidence. Another Kajetan. Well, I'm sure there's a mix-up. Yes, your boss, Kajetan. Oh, Kajetan, but I know he's not the one I am looking for, because the one I'm looking for is quite, like I said, he's tall. He's dark, broad-chested. He's a POS person, so I know. I'm sorry, it's a mistake. I would not repeat this mistake next time. You know how these guys behave. They just give you the wrong address, and I'm sorry, I don't know what I was thinking. Please forgive me. It won't happen again. I'll just quickly drive out of this place. I'm sorry.
The owner of this house is still the owner of the other house there.
Yes, I know. You said so.
He's still my boss.
Yes, I agree with you. Huh?
Let's go inside.
No. Like I said, I did not mean to intrude. The thing is, I will not come back. I'm sorry.
No, don't worry. Let's go inside.
Oh my God.
Let's go inside. Let's go.
Officer, I did not mean
Don't worry. Let's go inside.
let any harm come to me in this place. What in the world of sorcery is going on here? No way. Someone has some explaining to do.
Kajetan! Kajetan!
Abigail.
What's going on here? That.
What?
The portrait. Are you a soldier?
Oh, yes.
No. No, that's not possible. I mean, you are a POS operator. Your stand, you have a POS stand, right? Am I correct?
Yes, you are correct.
Okay.
But let me reintroduce myself to you properly. My name is Lieutenant Colonel Kajeta Moses, a sophisticated, skilled U.S. Army officer.
U.S. Army? Oh my God. Wait, how come Beauty doesn't know? Oh! Don't tell me is what I'm thinking. These guys? Why?
I will tell you why, my darling. Sit down, this is your husband's house, so you're highly welcome.
Husband? What husband?
Sit down first. I will tell you everything in details. Okay? Come on.
How about that guy, Fred?
Which guy?
Your new crush now.
Who's crush? That's your broke cousin. Please don't remind me about him again.
Who told you my cousin Frederick is broke?
From his appearance, it's obvious he's broke.
Come on, Beauty. Can you just stop? My cousin isn't broke.
Please don't remind me about him again. I don't date broke guys.
Beauty.
He's not my spec.
You even have a spec, Beauty.
Leave the way!
I just sustained a fracture.
And so? I have a date to catch. You're wasting my time. Get out of the way now.
You should at least show some little sympathy.
Are you out of your mind? Are you okay? I said get out!
Why would a beautiful girl like you be this heartless?
You are mad. Look at this poverty-stricken son of a nobody. You have the guts to talk back at me, right? I don't blame you. I blame poverty. If you don't leave my way this minute, I'll kill you. I don't give a fuck. Get out! You should have stayed now. No, you should have stayed. I would have killed your ass.
Honey, don't you think our daughter is straying? She should be called to order before it gets out of hand.
Well, if Beauty does not like all the men who are coming to marry her, then that is it. She's at the center of this. No, we can't be making decisions for her at this age. She knows what she wants.
Beauty is going about this the wrong way. She allowed her beauty to get into her skull. Which same girl does that? Despises all the men that come around? Is that how to go about it?
Well, I'm sure you're not saying that she should just end up with any man.
Honey, that's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that I don't see the reason for this her unruly behavior. I don't.
Well, just calm down. When she finds the right man, she definitely will get married. I can assure you.
Very well then. She should get a good job since she doesn't want to get married.
A job?
Yes.
What type of job are you talking about? Oh, you want my precious daughter to go and work for peanuts? You and I know that no company in this country can pay her well. She's an Oxford graduate, for crying out loud, and you know that.
I can see you're the one spoiling our daughter. Yes. I can see your misguided energy trying to destroy our daughter's life and future. It's written all over you.
What kind of talk is that?
Get a job? No. Get married? No. There's no company that can pay her in this country. Fine, why did she come back? Why not stay back in abroad and make something out of her life? Why come back?
She's also my daughter. Don't forget that.
Then guide her appropriately. Guide her as a good dad should. And I know your daughter is in love with some stupid guy that doesn't even feel anything for her.
Beauty is in love? With who? No, tell me. Who is she in love with?
I'm at a loss for words. You made everyone believe you are a poor POS operator, whilst you own all of this. And you're even a colonel in the US Army. I don't get it.
Well, I have my reason for doing what I did.
You mean your reason for the disguise?
Exactly.
Why didn't you just come to Beauty with your true identity? Why fake it?
My love, I did what I did for obvious reason.
You keep calling me your love. This isn't Beauty. It's me, Abigail.
I've come to find out that you're truly the one for me and not her. It's you that I want. I was beclouded with her beauty.
So you mean to tell me you're no longer interested in Beauty?
No. I'm not interested in her anymore. I mean, all I want is my happiness and my peace of mind. That's all that matters to me. I do not want to suffer what my father suffered. I realize I do not need to make the same mistake he made.
Was it that bad?
Yes.
Tell me about it.
Wrong choice. You say in life, the choice that we make either makes us or mar us. According to what my friend said, I have no reason to make wrong choice, no matter what the reason may be.
And who is your friend?
Greg. You have never met him. He chose you for me.
Funny. How can someone I've never met from Adam choose me for you? How is that even possible? That's preposterous.
Abigail, of all the men in this world, it was Kajetan you chose? What can he possibly do for you? You want to suffer? He cannot give you a good life. What are you doing?
Beauty, Kajetan and I are getting married next week Saturday, and you, my friend, are invited.
Nah. I am the daughter of the rich army general. There is no way I am attending that marriage. It's not possible.
Really?
Yes.
So you're telling me, your best friend, that you will not attend my wedding?
Well, I am not going to attend. Go ahead and do your thing. How can a pretty girl like you debase herself so low to get married to that low life, that broke thing, that... What did you see in him? Are you blind? What is wrong with you?
Okay. But you and I know I wouldn't do that to you, right?
Well, you accepted a man I rejected. There is no way on earth I will attend that marriage. Worst of it all is that man is stinkingly broke. Broke as nigger.